All right, today we have a 2012 Tsugami SS32 with a Fanuc 32i B control. You have an FMB Turbo 3-38 bar feed. Machine's also equipped with a chip conveyor. I'm going to run your main spindle first. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. Going to index to the C axis. Those are your front drills at 1,000. That's your front drills at 2,500. That's your back drills at 1,000. Your back drills at 2,500. It's your back drills on the sub-spindle side at 1,000. That's 2,000 RPM. Now we're going to run your sub-spindle. Disable the C axis so we can run the back spindle. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. We're going to do the C axis now. All right, we're going to jog the axes around. That's your Y2 axis. You have your X2 axis. There's your Z2. That's your Y1. There's your X1. And that's your Z1. I'm just going to do the parts catcher now. See, parts conveyor works as well. That about does it. The machine's wired 220 volts. Thank you for watching.